Hi guys, Heather Paris here and Claire Paris. We're here to give you one tip a month so that you can take care of your home in a quick and easy manner, just 5 minutes. So we have a lot to show you, so come on, let's go. So keeping your carbon monoxide and smoke alarms is a really important part of being a homeowner. If these are functioning property, you, your family, and your friends are safe from any harm. What I have here is just a plug-in carbon monoxide alarm. It can go into any outlet, really easy. You can find it at any hardware store, Home Depot. The way you test these is there's just a test button on the front of them, and you hold it. It's working properly. And then plug these in on every floor, really. You should have them. So excuse me, it should be in your basement, main floor, and upper floor areas, usually plugged into a hallway if you just have one for each floor. And then also make sure your smoke alarms are appropriately working. So these all have a test button on the outside of them. You can press and hold the button to test and make sure that it's in working order. Let's see, there it goes. So it shuts off as soon as you test it. If you open these, the batteries are inside. These 9 volts should be replaced probably yearly, but if your smoke alarm is actually beeping or letting off any chime, that's an indication that the battery needs to be replaced. If you are a homeowner, it's your responsibility to take care of these on your own. If you choose to sell your house in the state of Oregon, you are legally required to have both this and this in the house and have it be less than 10 years old. So make sure you stay on top of it and keep your family, friends, and yourself safe. Thanks so much, guys.